Sundew plants are a large group of carnivorous plants that trap and digest insects using sticky gland-tipped tentacles on their leaves. The dew is a sweet mucilage that attracts prey, while other glands on the tentacles produce digestive enzymes. These plants are found worldwide except for Antarctica and supplement their mineral poor soil by obtaining nutrients from insects. The tricky droplets on the tentacles secretes a sweet nectar to lure insects, making them look like glittering dew drops. When an insect lands to drink the nectar, it gets stuck in their